everybody, welcome. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make a very easy and nice door. So let's start. So I'm just going to use a small cube, but it's going to be like an opening door, but not like, you know, those like actual doors with like E you press and then if you touch there blah 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 it goes 90 degrees. It's just going to be a nice and easy and simple one. Okay, so I'm just going to create a material for it. It's going to be material. I'm going to call it glass. It's going to be like a glass door. Okay, so it's going to be translucent, and for the base color I'm going to put it like a little bluish color. For the opacity I'm going to put it at like 0.3. Perfect. Now when I go here and you put it onto it, you can keep it the same however you like it. I don't know. You can have it with an already made model, like a door model. It works with anything really, like any door type. And then you can put it on there. Okay, so once you've done this, you want to press simulate physics. You might be questioning, but if you simulate physics, this is gonna happen. And that's what we don't want. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see the, let me see. I can't even find it for some reason. Here it is. Constraints. If it's already open, you will see it. But if you don't see it, yeah. You want to lock the position, okay? And then for the rotation, you want to check the rotation of your thing. So, which one it is? The x-axis, you want to do it, which is like this. You want the door to open, like this. The door opens, or like this. But if you want for two. So for me personally, I want it like this. Okay, so then that's the blue one. So I'm just gonna do this, tick this. So lock position, that means like pretty much lock the position. And once you go up to it, it doesn't move. Might be questioning, why is that? I don't know either. So I think it's probably because let me just quickly change this to 0. Maybe position Z, no. Wait, no, I think. Oh, what the heck was that? I don't even know. You see there, it works. Oh, crazy! What was that? That was super crazy. So you might be questioning, why is it going so fast? Like probably because of the mass. So you might want to set it to like something smaller. I mean like a bit bigger, like 20. No, 20 is too big. Either like, let's say 1. Let's say. Yeah, 1 is the best, I would say, because it's mostly good for like these door things. So that's how you make a easy and nice door in Unreal Engine. So in your game you can make it actually where it's a bit too thick. So just pretend there's like a, wait, let me just quickly 2 point. No, it's too big, yes. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna size it really small. So just imagine there's like a little doorway, and then you can enter, and then once you want to exit, you can do it like this. This can go on forever. Like I've already made it in my other game. So yeah, this is how I make an easy working door in Unreal Engine 5. Okay, so without further ado, peace.